Shauna. Okay, so you want to know how, as a notary or as a new notary, how do you fill out a jurat, one of the most popular forms that you will be filling or are notarizing as a Notary Public. So I'm going to show you in the step-by-step written down process how to fill this form out. So a jurat is basically it's a verification of upon oath or affirmation. Basically what that means for my slower people like me is that for a signer to swear that the truthfulness in this document, the content in this document is true. That's basically what you're doing. So there's 3 steps you got to follow when you're doing this. First off, the signer has to be in front of you. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. 2, you have to positively ID the person, and then when the person is in front of you, the form can't already be brought to you signed. You have to actually watch them sign it. If it comes to you already signed, pre-signed and date, you cannot sign it or date it. You do not want your signature and stamp on that form, because then anything could happen, because that person could come to you and be like, yo, I wasn't the one who signed this, someone else signed it, and then you get a whole bunch of trouble. So anyway, you got to watch them sign it your actual self. So then the last step is you got to basically like speak an oath to them, or like get them to confirm an oath, which is basically you can ask them, first off, you can ask them if they can put up their right hand, so you can like give them the oath, because you want them to understand how serious this is. Like, please raise your right hand. I mean, it's optional, but I would ask. It would seem more professional, and also it would make them realize, oh, this is a real thing. Okay, let's get it. She all professional with it. So basically you just have them raise their right hand and be like, do you swear or affirm the truthfulness of the statement in this document? And then they have to say yes or I do, because you cannot accept nodding heads or ned hoods or just silence. Like, you can't accept those. They have the words yes or I do have to come out their mouths. And then yeah, so that would be it. You would then sign a step. But let me walk you through it of exactly how to write into the jurat form. Here's the thing, this jurat form, I will link this form in the description box below. That way you can download it, print it off, and then practice if you want. Technically speaking, this form is from the NNA, National Notary Association. Now, here's the thing about the NNA. The NNA has these forms for sale. For, if you look right here, this jurat, you get 100 of them for $16. But I'm like, why? I don't know. What do they not realize? In one of their blogs, they posted it for free. So it's the same form that you would be buying here, but they posted it on one of their websites. So I just like pulled it up so I can write it as example. So I will link the link directly to the form, so you guys can like pull it up and just practice on it or whatever you want to do with it. But here we go. I'm gonna show you how to fill this out. So first things first is that you want to put the state and county of which this is taking place. So say if you live in your whatever state you live in, or I'm giving you Texas for example. Say I'm in Houston, Texas, which I am, Houston, Texas, woot woot. And I'm gonna put Texas really quick. And my county is Harris, the county of Harris, or Harris County. But say that's where I live, but oh my bad, I didn't turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna put Texas. There we go. But say I live in Texas, I live in Houston, Texas, so my county is Harris County, but I'm doing this notarization in Austin, Texas. Well, then I don't put Harris County, I put the county in Austin, of specifically where I'm at in Austin. So yeah, don't put where you're from or located. Do it wherever you're doing this form, that's where you put the county at. So if you're at somebody's house that took you an hour to get there, and you're like, am I still in Harris County, am I still in my own county? Check your phone or look up online, make sure you are in whatever county you think you are in, double check, and then I'm just gonna put Harris County just to make it easier. Then you're gonna want to put the date and time of which, or the date and month of which you're actually taking place, this whole process taking place. Today is the 10th, so I'm going to put the 10th of December 2020 be over already. And then you're going to put the signer's name. I'm going to put my signer name as Jane Smith. Jane Smith is going to be used a lot on this channel. Okay, if there's a second signer, you can put the second signer. I'm going to do a John Smith. Let's say he's here too, her hubby. Okay, and then I'm going to now make sure you did, hey, raise your right hand, do you swear that the contents of this is truthful? And then you're gonna sign your name. I'm not gonna put my full government name. And then down here you're gonna want to put, like, if you want to print your name, that way it's more legible so you know exactly who it is. I'm not going to put my full government name on the internet right now. Your expiration date for your commission is, you can put your commission expiration date, and then you can also put your commission ID number if you want to, or go ahead. I would do it that way. Everything is nice, clear, and dandy. You did everything up to code. And then after that, final thing to do is whoop out, stamp, and collect your money. So yeah, it's that simple, that's easy. Down here it's pertains to Arizona folks. If you're not in Arizona, then don't even worry about it. But yeah, it's just that simple and easy. I'll catch you guys later with all this awesome free information all in one spot, one location, one stop notary shop right here for you. Okay, see you guys, bye.